फ्री, 1 एसएम, 20 ऑर्डर, 7 डेट। आपको निरीक्षण के लिए ओपन पेपर खड़ी सिफारिश विसर्जन।
Believe in development and welfare of the people. It is required for us that we must do everything to preserve human rights of the people. In democracy, if human rights are threatened, a citizen has a right to seek their protection from police and administration. Unfortunately, after 2nd May, this is not happening. Post-poll violence, magnitude of that is the highest ever since independence, has created great problem for people of the state. They have been made to suffer traumatic situations by arson, killings, loot, and human dignity being outraged. It is unfortunate that even after 7 weeks, the government has not recognized it. In none of the 4 cabinet meetings, this issue has even been adverted. Chief Minister has not gone to any place. No minister has gone. No functionary has gone. There has been no rehabilitation, no confidence building measures. This is not appropriate. This is not democratic governance. I appeal to the government not to adopt ostrich-like stance. See the writing on the wall. Confrontation by the government with every constitutional body is most unfortunate. I fail to understand. Our constitution doesn't allow confrontation between state government and central government, between state government and Raj Bhavan. Now the confrontation has gone to other areas also. Unthinkable. I do hope those concerned will look to the situation. I appeal to the media also. Please attend to the basic issues. All over the world, 4th pillar has resulted in democratic forces getting grip of governance. Because of media efforts, particularly in Africa, we have seen democracy flourishing and coming of age. In the state of West Bengal, for reasons which you know best, media has not been able to focus on the real problems of the people, the kind of fear quotient people have, the kind of politicized bureaucracy we have. Can in democracy a person be made to pay price with his life for just exercising right to franchise? This is not democracy in function. And I'm surprised to learn here, in spite of caution, you all have seen the district magistrate is not here. The SP is not here. Don't they realize the serious misconduct they are committing? They were made aware about the blue book. The constitutional head is here. They are members of IS, IPS. They are shaming their organizations. They are violating their conduct rules. And if they carry an impression that they will not be held accountable, you can have it from me. The day is not far that each of them will not only be held accountable, but will be visited with exemplary consequences. I will be sending a message to both SP and collector to see me tomorrow to give them my peace of mind. Don't they understand simple language of the blue book? That's my submission.
यहाँ पे मीटिंग करेगा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन
One second.
एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कोई मीटिंग बुलाया गया?
Have you not seen yourself? Silence of media pains me. How many of you will report this? That is perhaps the only state where the SP and collector can offer such kind of affront to the constitutional head. Have you not seen them dancing when the Honorable Chief Minister is here? In protocol, constitutional head is number one. Their conduct is outrageously out of line with rules and regulations. And I'm sure when I call them tomorrow, let me see what they have to say.
फिर भी गोरगालैंड के लिए डिमांड हो रहा है गोरगालैंड।
सर यहाँ तो जो आप ये वन वीक है इसमें आपके क्या क्या प्रोग्राम है?
I will have enough occasion to interact with the people, interact with media. My only focus is in North Bengal and in the entire state. Development,
North Bengal
welfare of the people, and I want rule of law to prevail. I cannot countenance a situation where lakhs of people lose their human rights, they lose their sleep, and the administration is carelessly ignoring that. I'll take more questions. I'll be here for several days. I'll discuss with you all the issues.